In the US, there's approximately 70 million stray cats walking around the streets. Me and my family kinda adopted a cat named Mochi, and I'm making this video to show the world that abandoned cats deserve a second chance. I know you guys are wondering how we met Mochi, and here's how.
He came up to the porch, he wanted food, he started meowing at us from like the stairs. So of course I gave him food, and eventually just kept coming back. Almost every night for like a week straight we were feeding him. He was really like an on and off cat, you know, he just like showed up when he wanted to. And eventually after like a few months of feeding him, he started moving into the house, and he got super comfortable.
Mochi is the coolest cat I have ever met in my whole life. Stick around until the end of this video to know more about him.
My name is Cindy and I'm 23.
Jarek Anthony, 23.
Hi, my name is Paul Asuga. I'm 20 years old.
What's something that you like about Mochi?
He's such a good boy. Like, I can lift him up, I can pretend like he's my stuffed toy, and he wouldn't like do anything. Like, he's just so obedient, he's so sweet.
He's super friendly, like super cuddly. Like you can just pick him up. It's like he's like a stuffed animal. Like you just pick him up and you just like cuddle him all you want, and he doesn't care.
He's such a good company. I'm mostly home alone, you know, since my mom and sister goes to work most of the time. Mochi is capable of making me feel significantly less lonely in the house.
Oh man, ladies, you guys heard what I said. Oh, damn. Let's just get back to the video. God damn it.
What is something you don't like about Mochi?
I don't know, there's nothing I don't like about Mochi. I mean, he's the best, you know? Like, that'd be hard. I'd say maybe, like, you just gotta learn where to use the bathroom. He's getting it, you know?
He doesn't know where to poop.
I don't like the fact that Mochi eats a lot because I don't want Mochi to be obese, obviously. The more you eat, the more you shit. He pretty much shits all over the house.
So we decided to get Mochi a brand new litter box, but instead, he takes a nice little shit on my mom's brand new carpet.
How often do you see Mochi?
It actually depends, so when it's like cold, like during winter or like rainy, we would like see him pretty much every day. But when it's like warm, 3 to 4 times a week.
Well, it seems like this cat is really up to something.
Something you know about Mochi that not a lot of people know about.
Oh man, that's a good question. Well, something that I know that a lot of people don't know about Mochi is this guy right here is a cat slayer, aka he's a neighborhood fuckboy. This guy slays every single cat in our block. So, right? That's you, right? Yeah, that's it.
The fact that Mochi gets more hoes than you is absolutely insane. You should be ashamed, bro. Oh, damn.
Final question, are you scared of Mochi?
I'm scared of Mochi sometimes, but most of the time, you're not really too scary, aren't you? No? No? Oh, see?
No, I'm not.
No. Not scared of Mochi. Never will be scared of Mochi.
Well, you should be. Never underestimate the power of the claws that the cats have. They're absolutely powerful. They're capable of splitting somebody's face, which is fucking insane.
Even though one time when he caught the mouse and he was eating it, I walked by him and he started like growling at me. But I'm like, don't worry, bro, I ain't gonna take it from you.
Alright, I think that's it. Drop a like if you guys think Mochi is cool.
Yeah, Mochi's a really sweet cat. I mean, I really like the fact...
Yo, Paul, Mochi's taking a shit again.
Yo, what the fuck?